All right, so we're gonna talk about 16. Okay, so everyone has issues with these types of problems. So we're asked to find the domain of f of g of x. So first, what we want to do is find f of g of x. You don't have to, there are two ways to do this, but the first way is, first of all, you have to look at the input, which is g of x, and make sure that is not an undefined value. Okay, so let's look at g of x. G of x, here's our function. We know that x can't be negative 5 halves, because if we throw in negative 5 halves for x, we're going to get an undefined value. And you can't plot an undefined value. Good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so x can't be negative 5 halves. So now we're going to go ahead and look at our composition of functions, which is g of x, or f of g of x, right? So we go ahead and input g of x into f of x. So do we need to talk about that? Because there's some algebra involved there. So here now we've got two denominators that are different. This denominator for this fraction is 2x plus 5, and this is a 1, 2 over 1. So to make them the same, I'm going to multiply this 2 by 2x plus 5 over 2x plus 5, our special one, which gives us 4x plus 10 over 2x plus 5. But now we have two fractions that we can add together. So we do that. We have a denominator. We never divide by fractions. We always multiply by the reciprocal. So keep, change, flip, and when you multiply 3 times a fraction, that's a 3 over a 1. So you're just multiplying the 3 by the numerator. Now the composition, we take a look at that, and we say, all right, where can we not plot this? Where is the point that is not in our domain? So if I take this denominator and I set it equal to 0, if I plug in negative 5/4 there, I'm going to get an undefined value. I'm going to get a 0 in our denominator. So not only do we have to pull out negative 5 halves out of our domain, we also have to pull out negative 5/4. Anyone going to say anything? Anyone got a question? The other way you can do this that takes less work, where you don't have to find the composition, is we are inputting g of x. So we know from right here that this g of x cannot be equal to negative 2, because negative 2 plus 2 gives us a 0 in our denominator. So instead of going through all this, we can just set negative 5 over 2x plus 5 equal to 2 or not equal to 2, and just solve. Now this is like a negative 2 over 1. So to solve that, I should probably show you how to do that. This video is going to be too long. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm going to move. Can someone move the camera? Because I don't think this is in my video right now. Oh, it is. It is. Okay. So if I multiply both sides by, this is like a 2 over 1, right? 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, boom. Negative 5 equals negative 4x plus, and this is the quantity 2x plus 5. So this is, this is a minus 10. That's how I got that. And then you can solve it from there, two-step equation. Questions? Going once, going twice. Sold. Peace out.